You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word, but how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this very confusing word. If you want to learn more medical terms that are confusing like this, stay tuned. If you're studying medicine, for example, I've got more videos for you. A rare tumor, Pheochromocytoma. So it's actually much more straightforward than you think looking at the word. Pheo, of course, PH is like an F because it's Greek. Pheochromo, like chrome, chromo. Cytoma, so not cytoma, cytoma, because it's English pronunciation here. So how to pronounce Pheochromocytoma, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.